Oh, hello up there. This video is a public service announcement that you should start a business this year. But DC, why would I start a business? I don't have anything to sell. Trust me, if you're watching this, you have something to sell. And that might be something that you actually haven't really thought about before. What can you do that you can sell as a service, as an item? Are you trying to build an online store? Are you trying to sell a different type of service like IT support, cybersecurity, pen testing? I'm telling you, everyone has something that they could do as a business, as a side hustle. And the reason why you should do it is because what if? What if it goes mental? What if you put in so much effort into it that it becomes such a fun hobby that it becomes your new job? What if it starts making more money than your actual job? Life is not entirely about money. But life is, for me at least, about freedom. And I don't know about you guys, but I really like being free. I like taking my motorcycles out for a ride. I like working out in my little gym thing over in the corner. I like taking my family out for drives in the car. I really like living. And to live, you need money, but you also need freedom. So how do you achieve freedom through a business? Well, actually, you're kind of already free when you first start. Step one. Come up with a business idea that has potential to make money. I know someone who literally sells tissues on Amazon and eBay, and that person is bringing in a few $1,000s every month, literally to sell tissues, which is mental. They didn't set up an online store, they didn't pay any money, they literally just bought a bunch of tissues, put them into different packages together, and started selling them online. That's nuts. I low-key wish I had done that. What a business, tissues. I know another guy who sells leather stuff for motorbikes, which I've bought heaps of stuff from, and he's a legend. He gets it imported from overseas, like made and imported into Australia, and then sells them in Australia, again online, and from what I've heard, he makes really good money. I met this other guy just the other week who has an online blog newsletter thing. He's probably the richest person I know. He's quite literally a millionaire every month, and the newsletter is free. Instagram account, obviously free, it's just Instagram. But the people who pay to be on that newsletter and to get shout outs on his different social medias, they're paying real money, like real money, guys, real money. And it's something that he can do from anywhere. That's not reason enough to start a business. I don't know what is. Look, honestly, this video is going absolutely nowhere. I had no real plan for this other than a title, which is Start a Business. And I thought, if I can help you guys to be motivated to start a business, I'm not trying to sell anything to you. This is not a business. This is just me talking. Then I think that's pretty awesome. If one of you starts a business out of this, let me know. If you're out there thinking, should I start a business? The answer is yes. And if you already have a business that you have started, I want to know about it. I want to know in the comments below what you've done to get your 2026 back in order, to find your freedom, to maybe just get ahead in life and get a little bit of extra income on the side. I currently have 3 IT related businesses going. I had to think for a second because I just closed one. It wasn't working for me. I had to close it. It's just so much more exciting than the day job of just doing stuff. It's so much more exciting. And for that reason alone, just the excitement, like I'm literally only going to live once on this planet. I'm not going to be, brought back again as DCV2. This is it. This is me, this is what I'm doing. And I don't want to spend that time working for someone who doesn't appreciate it. I want to have the freedom to do the things that I want with the time that I'm given. And if that means starting business and hustling and trying to make a bit of extra money so that I can live freely and ride my bikes around, then so be it. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm doing. I want to be excited when I'm working. I want to feel like I'm making a difference in the world. And if that's you, then maybe starting a business is for you as well. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash like, subscribe for more content just like this. I'll see you in the comments section. Peace out and have a lovely week ahead.